Today we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels. Our next stop is the Orleans on this edition of Travelin' Joe. Hello everybody, it's Travelin' Joe, and today we're at the Orleans Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. The resort is owned by Boyd Gaming and is located west of the Strip. It features a Mardi Gras theme. This is a large property and there's plenty to see and do, so let's get started. But first, if you're enjoying the video, please give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. The registration desk is located near the east side of the property. Since I booked through a third party, I wasn't able to use the mobile check-in. However, the line was pretty short, so I had no trouble. There's also a bell desk nearby to store your luggage. We're all checked in, so let's check out the room. I booked the Deluxe 2 Queens. The room featured 2 queen-size beds and was 450 square feet. There are just under 1,900 rooms at the Orleans. And while for the most part the rooms are pretty basic, there are still plenty of amenities and they are well sized. The room also featured a separate seating area with a couch and a chair. There's a large flat screen TV, a dresser, a desk, and a coffee maker. Many fridges are only available to rent. The in-room safe was located in the dresser just below the television. The bathroom featured a large mirror with a single sink and a granite countertop. There was also a hairdryer and plenty of towels. There was also a shower-tub combination sectioned off by another door. Okay, let's go downstairs and check out the casino. As indicated by the name of the hotel, the Orleans has a Mardi Gras theme. You'll find New Orleans-themed decor throughout the casino. And at 135,000 square feet, this is a very large casino. The casino attracts many locals, as well as tourists looking for a more inexpensive alternative to the Las Vegas Strip hotels. The casino is open 24/7 and offers over 2,600 slot machines of varying denominations. All of the most popular slot machines can be found at the Orleans Casino. The Orleans also features a separate high-limit slots area. In addition, the Orleans features a large table game area with over 60 game tables, including blackjack, roulette, and more. And if you're looking for electronic table games, you can find that here as well. Right in the middle of the gaming floor, you'll find the Racing Sportsbook. The room features one large TV screen with over 30 smaller screens throughout. And while you can wager on a variety of sports, this sportsbook is definitely geared toward horse racing. You'll also find a 60-seat Keno lounge at the Orleans. This is definitely something you don't see at most casinos anymore. Located all the way back in the rear of the casino is the Orleans Poker Room. This is a large poker room and features over 35 tables. The room is popular with locals and was named Best of Las Vegas by readers of Las Vegas Review-Journal. In addition to gaming, you'll find several bars at the Orleans. You can't miss the Mardi Gras bar. It features a giant masked lady with bright neon. In addition to the bar, there's a lounge area where you can sit and have a drink. The bar is located just across from the table game area. Also located nearby is the Alligator Bar. The bar features a large drink menu, along with flat-screen TVs and video poker machines. The Bourbon Street Lounge features a 140-seat lounge where guests can grab drinks and enjoy entertainment. The lounge offers a large schedule of shows. In addition, you'll be able to watch sporting events on their extra large screen TV. The Orleans offers a wide selection of restaurants, from high-end to fast food. Alder and Birch is the Orleans signature steakhouse. The restaurant features steaks, chops, prime rib, and seafood dishes. Andori Asian Kitchen offers both authentic Chinese entrees, along with a large selection of sushi dishes, as well as Japanese cuisine. The menu here is quite extensive, so there's plenty to choose from. Ballywick All-American Pub and Eatery offers small bites and large entrees, as well as over 40 beers on draft. The restaurant also offers a happy hour as well as live entertainment. Big Al's Oyster Bar offers a wide selection of fresh seafood, including oysters, clams, as well as pasta dishes, all in a Cajun flair. If you visit, be sure to try one of Big Al's famous chowders, served in a sourdough bowl. The Copper Whisk Cafe serves breakfast specialties all day, as well as lunch, up till 3 p.m. In addition, you'll find soups and salads, burgers, and large plates like chicken and waffles, fish and chips, and shrimp platters. And if you can't get enough TGIF at home, you'll find a Fridays located at the Orleans. This popular chain can get pretty crowded here, so get here early. Be sure to try the sizzling chicken and shrimp. Located in the rear of the casino is the food court. Restaurants include Fuddruckers Hamburgers, Sbarro Pizza and Italian Food, Subway, and the Baskin-Robbins Ice Cream Shop. There was some construction going on near the food court, so seating might be limited. Java Vegas, located near the registration desk, serves Starbucks coffee, along with danishes, muffins, bagels, donuts, and more. And the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, located near the elevators, serves a wide selection of fine chocolates and other treats. If you go, be sure to try the caramel or chocolate-dipped apples. They are delicious, and they'll even cut them up for you. There's not much retail offered at the Orleans, with the exception of the gift shop, but you will find a pretty decent selection of apparel and souvenirs, along with refreshments, sundries, and other items. Among the entertainment options at the Orleans is the Orleans Showroom. The showroom has 800 seats and is a great size for intimate concerts. Another entertainment option is the Venue. The Venue features a late-night magic show. It also features other comedy acts and is designed for a smaller audience. The largest entertainment venue at the Orleans is the Orleans Arena. The arena seats over 9,500 people and has more than 200 performances and events each year. Located up the escalator from the casino, you'll find the Century Theaters and an arcade. This is an 18-theater multiplex and features first-run movies and reclining seats. The arcade at the Orleans is a large arcade featuring arcade games both new as well as classic. This is a place where both kids and adults can have a little fun. One of the nicest things about the Orleans is it's actually very family-friendly. And while Vegas isn't noted for having family vacations, if you are here with your family, there's plenty of stuff for the kids to do. Located atop the other set of escalators on the casino floor, you'll find the bowling center and snack bar. The bowling center features 52 lanes, as well as lounge, lockers, and a full-service pro shop. This is another great area where families can get together and have a little fun. There's also a snack bar located at the bowling alley where you can buy refreshments and food. And if you want to take a break and have a drink while the kids bowl, there is a lounge located at the bowling center. The Spa Orleans is a full-service spa that offers a full range of therapeutic and relaxing services. In addition, you'll also find a barber shop as well as a hair salon. And just adjacent to the spa is the fitness center. The fitness center features a wide range of equipment from cardio to free weights. Use of the fitness center is included in your resort fee. And finally, we come to the Orleans Pool. The pool complex features one large swimming pool as well as a smaller circular pool. There's also a hot tub at the swimming pool complex. The main pool is decent sized, and while it's not the largest pool in Vegas, there's certainly plenty of room to have some fun. The pool complex is lined with palm trees and is very well maintained. In addition, there's plenty of free seating to go around, so you shouldn't have any problem getting a seat. Cabanas are also available for rent. Check with the hotel for their current prices. Towels are supplied upon entry. There's also a snack bar available. There's also a full-service bar at the pool complex, and while the drink prices aren't necessarily cheap, they are more reasonable than most of the Strip hotels. If you don't mind being off the Strip and you'd like to save a few bucks, you definitely want to consider the Orleans Hotel. Okay, one last thing before we wrap the video up. The Orleans, unlike most other hotels in Vegas, does not charge for parking. This is definitely a nice perk. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Orleans Hotel in Las Vegas, and if you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. This is Travelin' Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.